Assalamualaikum and hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a delicious Korean garlic bread. It's really simple and easy to make, so if you want to find out how to make it, keep watching and try this out yourselves. So the first thing you want to do is grab your bread bun. Mine is kind of small, so I'm afraid that I'm gonna have to cut it into 4s. You can also cut it into 6 if your bun is big enough. The second step is to put your cream cheese inside where you've cut. I made my cream cheese from mixing 200 grams cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of fresh milk and 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Ta-da! Our first bun is done. Now all we have to do is do the same to our other buns.
A few moments later.
And we finished putting all of our cream cheese into our bread. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and cover your bun bread with your butter. I made my butter from 100 grams salted butter, 3 clove onions, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, parsley, and 1 egg. And I finished covering all of my bread with butter. Now you can also go ahead and grate your parmesan for flavor. This is additional, you don't have to if you don't want to. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and bake your bread at 160 degrees for 20 minutes. And once you've done baking, you should have something like this. Hope this worked out well for you, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.